Okay. Now we're on the Mopar side. 1973 Barracuda.
I just drive it down the road like that. Just reach out, grab a burger off the table, get it down your neck.
Just start grilling it. Just start grilling on the hood, dude.
Yeah, dude.
I love it. Takes me back to my childhood, right?
1958 Belvedere.
See the license plate?
Christine. This was the Christine car. Did you ever see Christine? 1974 Plymouth Duster. Ladybug.
Great looking car. The Plymouth Duster.
Yep, it's a Duster.
Barely even know her.
That Duster looks like it's
clean,
right off
dude.
the lot.
Yeah, it's clean. I like the red on the Duster. Oh, great interior.
Yeah, I mean, it's mint.
Mm-hmm. Old, the original dash for sure.
Look how big that rear window is.
Yeah.
And the
Flat black on the hood. 1970 Plymouth AAR Cuda. Wow.
Darren, what are you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing? Hey,
You gotta come.
Oh. Yes. Yeah.
How you been?
Good.
24?
Gosh, we
Give away gun.
24?
Look at that. You got the flat black spoiler, flat black bumper job with the chrome around it, and then gloss purple AAR Cuda badges with this cool ass racing stripe. It's my favorite Cuda we've seen this year by far. Best in show Barracuda for me. That color combo with the flat black, just gorgeous. So damn mean looking too. The meanest looking purple car I've seen. This thing is.
yeah, Roadrunner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love these cars. It's got the Wile E. Coyote.
Yeah, that thing is sick.
I love that.
1974 Plymouth Roadrunner.
Seems like a lot of the Roadrunners have the stripe go all the way down the side. Not up like that.
Yeah, it's that 70s style.
But usually the stripe
Usually
goes all the
goes-
way to the back.
Yeah.
And then has the Roadrunner right there.
I love the white interior.
Beautiful car.
Wolfman.
I thought it was dating for a second.
No water fights.
Like the paint job on it too. 1964 Plymouth Fury.
Red Doug out of the day.
That looks aggressive in its stance too.
Again, folks, like I said,
Ragtop.
He lights it up, gets it to go a little sideways, and takes off. Really? It's
all the proceeds
Kyle has a
today
140.
from your meals is going to go toward Make-A-Wish Foundation. So, like I said,
Yeah,
they've
that
got
is all
brisket nachos,
vintage,
we've
man.
got chicken.
It's a Plymouth. It's a Duster, 1973 Plymouth Duster. You remember the Dodge commercial when the guy kept saying, "It's a Hemi," and then they were chasing after it in a Duster?
Yeah.
Look at the emblem on the side, Duster.
Barely even know.
We can probably